because I'm always on the run, and I didn't have had the time to repair. Oh boy, what happened? What's wrong? Yes? This is not too good. My van was like a boat. Well, I'm thinking to try to change the shock absorber without removing the wheel, the rear wheel. I think it will work. Let's see. Wow, this is completely dead. Well, this is how a shock absorber should work. Yeah, so the idea is you can easily change the shock absorbers on the rear axle to Volkswagen Crafter and Sprinter, Mercedes Sprinter, without removing the wheels. No handbrake. Handbrake cables, and we had this here. And of course I don't have a handbrake. This is okay, so I gotta adjust it from here. And now I gotta change the steering pump. Let's see now. You'll need a 16 key for the tensioner. Great. Yeah, the funny part is that you cannot remove this steering pump until you remove the pulley, and that's on the 2-liter range in Volkswagen Crafter. I don't know on the 2.5 liter. Should go out. And now for the steering pump you will need this M10 to remove the bolts. Oh, great. Luckily I'm not on a boat. Well, this is why I changed the steering pump, because it had some leakage in the back of the pulley. Well, that's all for today. Everything is back together and she's alive.